front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Then tap on All Services and scroll again, this time to click on Autofill with Google. Now select Google Password Autofill and click on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock, tap on this eye icon, and this way make your password visible. If it's too long, quick tip, you can always tap on Edit to see it here. Or most people forget that you can click on this icon next to it to copy it to your clipboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!